A grassroots effort to bring an Air Force fighter jet to Lena gets some much-needed help. The group received a $500 donation from the Realtor Association of Northwestern Illinois. That brings organizers that much closer to their $150,000 goal. We followed the Northwest Illinois F-4 Jet Memorial Project over the last couple of years. They're at $100,000. The jet is meant to be the centerpiece for a Veterans Memorial.
Over the past couple of years, kind of having an affinity for the F-4. It was a very very versatile aircraft. It could be used in practically any situation that was called for, and we just all have some connection with it.
Organizers hope to get the work started on the memorial in the spring.